Good day. My name is Colonel Lobenza and I'm here to present and explain my abstract artwork, which is called The Complexity of Life. The complexity of life is based on neo-expressionism and abstract gesturalism. Neo-expressionism was a dominant international art movement of the late 1970s and 1980s that revived figurative painting, intense subjectivity, and raw emotion in reaction to 1970s minimalism and conceptualism. Abstract gesturalism, commonly known as action painting or gestural abstraction, is a spontaneous painting style where the physical act of creation is the main focus. The complexity of life utilizes a blend of mixed media expressionism and abstract gesturalism. It prioritizes raw emotion and movement rather than precise accuracy. The complexity of life draws inspiration from neo-expressionism and gestural abstraction. It involves using rough textures and vivid non-naturalistic colors to evoke an emotional response. In its environment, the ship is enveloped by sweeping arcs of blue and orange. This represents the harmonic yet volatile forces of the sea and sky. The blue suggesting the surging of waves and winds, and the orange evoking the heat of a setting sun or the glow of a distant horizon. The swirling lines represent the physical act of painting, making the artist's energy as much as part of the subject as the ship itself, and the use of visible outlines and varying pressure that creates a sense of immediacy and spontaneity. Life is characterized as a full-rig sailing vessel. Its brown textured hull represents the integrity of life, where everything is dependent on. It may be dull in color, but what it's made of and been through represents the resilience in continuing on moving forward. The masts and sails represents the usage of the volatile forces to the ship's favor. In the complexity of life, the view of the back of the ship reminds the events that occurred, which creates a visual imprint on life. The ship is facing towards something that cannot be seen on the painting. This is, in addition, represents the unknown future ahead in life. In conclusion, the complexity of life suggests a journey through a mental or physical storm, where the destination is less important than the resilience required to stay afloat. That is all, and this is my artwork, The Complexity of Life.